Hi, I'm back. I finally have some time off to record, and so if you want to see a tutorial on how I did this look, just keep watching. Hi, my face is already prepped, it's moisturized. I used some Aveeno Positively Radiant SPF 30 as my moisturizer, mixed with a bit of Cetaphil because lately I've been a little dry. And then under my eyes, I use the Age Perfect Eye Renewal by L'Oreal. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in and get started. I absolutely love L'Essential by Guerlain. My color is in 5C. I love the way it looks. It just looks so natural, a little bit radiant. This is a sample that they gave me just so that when I purchased it, I didn't have to worry, and just in case it wasn't my right color, because you know the lighting in stores can be a little tricky. And so just put a little on. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. Bought this at Shop Miss A, and it's a really good beauty sponge. And I'm just gonna bounce that in. As you can see, it's very skin-like. It's very natural, very a little glowy, not really though, just like skin. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on my concealer, the Instant Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. It's a very popular one, very old. I just hate how messy the cap. You know what I wish that they would do is make this into a pump. And just leave the packaging, you know, still same, but just put a pump on it instead. Plans, but because of this coronavirus, it seems like the only plan I'll be doing is staying close to home. I wonder what other people are doing. I had planned on going to the beach and just kind of hanging out and maybe taking a few day trips here and there. But now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set it. Let me do my eyebrows and I will be right back. I'm back, my eyebrows are done. And now I think that I'm gonna put on a little bit of bronzer. I don't know, I just enjoy putting on bronzer. Sometimes I wonder if you can really see it and what the effect is, but I just like doing it. So this bronzer is the Marc Jacob Tantalize 106. I'm just gonna try to put on some very lightly. Okay. I'm gonna use this blush by Milani, Coralina. Lord knows I have enough eyeshadows. Actually, I did a purge. I got rid of some stuff. It's just that none of my friends that I have are really into makeup as much as I am. So I really had to try to find somebody to give them to, but luckily I found somebody. And I really need to do another purge. No one can use this much makeup, and I just kind of gotten to the point where I do want to figure out what it is that I truly like and just use that, and then have a smaller collection. So I've managed to fit my collection now into this container and all this up here. This is my day-to-day stuff. And then I have another tall container over here. It's not an Alex 9 drawer, but it's a container, and I bought it at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And so this, oh, and then I have something right here. So, and I have a little basket in my closet. But this is it. This is it. And I want to get that down as well. I am trying to go through my collection, use things, and so that I can figure out what it is that I truly like and just use that, and what it is that I don't really like, so I can just pass it on to people. Gotta find the people first. Okay, so this is an H&M highlighter, and it is Sunlit Gold. My H&M in the past had sold cosmetics, and then they got rid of them. So now they don't sell cosmetics at my H&M, local H&M anymore. I hadn't ever really tried their makeup, so I had bought this on sale, and when they were getting rid of the makeup at the store, and I bought it on sale, and I hadn't really tried it before, but I like it. I like it. It's subtle. And now we're gonna do a very simple day look. This neutral look. This is the Good Day Sydney eyeshadow palette by Essence. I bought it for $9.99 at Ulta. We might use a little pop because it has some very pretty colors. These are the colors, and I think I might use this green in the inner corner, and maybe this one on the lower lash, but then it has a bunch of neutrals as well. And so I'm going to use this color right here in the crease. I've been loving a halo eye lately, but I'm not going to do a halo today. I'm going to put this color right here. It's a sort of a satiny color, and I'm just going to pack it on. You know what, I might blend them. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to blend them, because that was a little too stark, and that's not quite what I want. There we go, that's more like what I want. This, and I'm going to just take a little bit, make sure it's blended, which I think it pretty much blended itself. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this green and pop it in my inner corner. I told you it's just going to be a very, very simple look. Here we go. And the eyes are done. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic in the Blackest Black and do my mascara. Got to bring the mirror a little closer. I love how skinny the wand is. Go. And now I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara to go over it one last time to add just a little bit of fullness. And try not to get it to... And voila. And now I'm gonna just spray my face with some Morning Dew. Bought this at Marshall's. And this is the finished look. Have a great day. Make sure you stay safe.